I'm Joost and I'm here with the Apexcam versus the Timnut Action cameras, and I really can't tell these two apart. They both have the same hardware, both 4K at 30 frames per second, and you can set them in the same way in the menu, and they really look similar. So I really think these are the same cameras from the same factory, just with a different label on them. So let's take these out of their casing. Now the casings are pretty cool. They're watertight, so you can also shoot underwater with these, and they're pretty solid, so you can really bump with this around. Now this is the Apexcam. It's pretty small and very rugged, so that's cool. And they both have Wi-Fi, so you can use this with your phone as a remote and even download all of the footage onto your phone without having to use a cable. And as you can see, well, they're both the same. They look the same. They have the same ridges here on the top. Now there are two differences here. One is that the Apexcam comes with this cool hard shell case, and this really is handy for taking this along with you because all of the extra attachments fit in the case along with the camera, so everything is kept tidy. And this one comes with a SD card and the Apexcam doesn't for some reason, but all of the accessories are really the same. You even have the same clicker in both of these, so it's the same design. And I've seen more of these cameras available in the store with exactly the same design, so I think it's just a little bit different. The little logo here and the wording on the button is a bit different for both, so I really think there's just one factory that produces both of these. Now both are pretty well designed. I really loved shooting some video with them. The video quality is exactly the same, so there isn't any difference here. The only difference is in the case you get with it or the SD card. So I think any of these two will get you a really good action camera for, well, documenting any cool extreme sport that you want to do. And I do recommend these as one of the best in their price range.